Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discussing about a project, a review of fundamentals of ternary reversible logic circuit. In this paper presents a simplified summations of circuit implementation is greater than the equivalent binary logic representation, which leads to compact circuit realizations. It is one of the key reasons for use of ternary logic systems. This is particularly appearing for quantum computations method and minimizing their number in one of the primary goals during synthesizers. As a result, a ternary reversible logic synthesizer has inspired its deal with a fundamental unit of information called quartz that can exist in one of the three states 0, 1, 2. Okay, in this paper presents a reversible and non-reversible logic functions of half adders, full adders and carry log adder with using a ternary logic method. Finally, this work implemented in Verilog HDLs and synthesized in Xilinx FPGA and compared all the parameters in terms of area, delay and power. Now we can verify the base paper. This is a base paper abstract. Okay, here they are done with a ternary logic implementation using reversible logic circuit. Here they are given a two different method. One is a non-reversible ternary half adder, another one is a reversible ternary half adder. Here they are not given any schematic based architecture. This is only the concept based architecture only. Okay, they are given as a truth table. This truth table we can possible to construct with the full adders. Okay, this is a half adder truth table, right? So we can use this truth table will be construct with the full adders, and then the full adders and half adders will be used in the carry local adder. Will design a two different logic. Okay, one is a non-reversible carry local adder and a reversible ternary carry local adder. Okay, and they are given some more logic. It's a TOEFL gate based ternary logic. Okay, and ternary Feynman gate and ternary swap gate. Okay, this kind of thing. They are used this technique and then they are designed this truth tables. Okay, so we can design this using this truth table. It's enough for this project. Okay, so now we can verify the work. Okay, so here, okay, so this is a code for carry lookup adder. So this code we are designed using the reference paper. This is a reference paper for this project. Okay, so this is a carry lookup adder schematic diagram. Okay, so here the schematic diagram will have a 4-bit only, but we are constructed a 8-bit ternary reversible carry lookup adder. Okay, so this is a code for that. This is a non-reversible ternary carry lookup adder. Okay, so here we are given as an input A0, A1, A2, A3 up to A7 and B0 to B7 and S0 to S7. Okay, so this all the bits we are given into ternary AND gate operation, ternary OR gate operations and ternary reversible, non-reversible ternary full adders. Okay, and we are taken as a reference for ternary OR gate and AND gate using this paper, implementation of ternary logic gate using FGMOS. Okay, so here they are given a number of gate. Okay, NAND gate, okay, so AND gate, OR gate. Okay, this kind of truth tables they are given will be taken this as a reference for this coding. Okay, and this is a simulation process for non-reversible ternary carry lookup adder. Okay, so here we are given as a A0, A1, A2, A3 up to A7 and B0 to B7. Here for input reference we are used this paper. Okay, so this paper already done with the ternary logic additions, ternary arithmetic operations. The addition operations we are taken as a reference. Okay, here they are already done with a ternary representation of 64 and 48 will be added on here. Okay, so here A will be 64 and B will be 42. This same value we are given as an input to this coding and will be checked with this output will be came or not. Okay, so here you can analyze 0 to 101, right? So this is the input. Okay, so here you can analyze 0 to 101. Okay, and B input is 01210. Okay, 01210. Okay, and output we are checked with here, so 11011. Okay, here S4 bit, right? Okay, 11011. Okay, so here we are designed as a 8-bit logic, but here they are given as a 4-bit logic only. For justification purpose, we are used this reference, okay, to check this simulation process, okay, and we are run at this n number of times, okay, so you can possible to check all the outputs, okay, and this is a reversible logic gate technique, reversible ternary carry logo head adder, okay, and this is a test bench, okay, and this is a top model coding. Okay, so we can't possible to show the inter model of the codel for security reason, and we are having all the codes, okay, half adders and full adders and ternary non-reversible and reversible based half adders and full adders separately, okay, and you can verify the simulation report for reversible ternary logic, okay. So this is a simulation process, and this is a synthesis report for non-reversible ternary logic. This is a synthesis report summary utilization, okay. So here the LUT will take 39, okay, and reversible logic the LUT will take 29, okay, and occupied slices here 16, okay, and here it will be take 17, okay. So we are drawn this comparisons in the comparison table. This is a comparison, okay. So this is a comparison for ternary reversible half adder, okay, and this is a comparison for ternary reversible full adder, okay, and this is a comparisons for ternary reversible logic carry loco head adder, okay, and we can refer the RTL schematic for this project, okay. So okay, this is the RTL schematic for carry loco head adder, okay. So ternary OR gate, AND gate, OR gate, non-reversible ternary full adder, okay. So here we are used as a cascade method. This is a 2 half adder based structure. Okay, so this is a completely ternary logic non-reversible half adder, okay. So you can verify the schematic, okay, and this one is a reversible ternary logic, okay. Same cascaded half adder, reversible ternary half adder. So this is a reversible process, okay, and we are written abstract document for this project. This is a best paper abstract enhancement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system, and advantages, related notes, finally literature survey and references, okay. Thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.